An infrastructure maintenance delivery manager is basically in charge of a whole delivery unit of maintenance personnel, where we're in charge of the inspection and maintenance of a certain area of track signalling and electrification. My day can consist of absolutely anything, and that's kind of what excites me about the role in maintenance. I think the key challenge for me coming in as a graduate is actually kind of getting that on the ground experience and understanding the kind of core business of maintenance. So I've spent a long time kind of trying to understand exactly all the technical issues and around what are the main challenges of delivering kind of a good, reliable railway. When you come into an organisation as a graduate, I haven't worked my way up from the ground, so you come in at a little bit green, and actually it's about kind of making sure you understand the real core of the business. So for me it was about making sure I spent as much time as possible, and that's why I went into maintenance, to understand what the business is about. Something I would say to my younger self is work out kind of where you want to get to, and that might be in a few steps time, and work out what you need in order to get there, and just focus on doing those bits that you need, and the rest of it will work itself out.